Guys, they have pumpkin spice in Korea. It's not the pumpkin cream cold brew, but it's a close second. It's pretty good. I missed this. Good morning, guys. I'm just getting ready to leave with the others. We're going to the In the Soop pop-up and actually like go inside this time. The last time that we went, we didn't have enough time to like wait in the queue because you have to like check in with like your phone number and then they'll text you when you can actually go into the pop-up. It's in the Hyundai Seoul Mall. We're meeting up with Ariel and then we're gonna go like album shopping, I think, in like Beatroad. Here's my outfit today. The leather jacket is from Shein, but this is actually Izzy's, so I'm just borrowing it. Black top is from H&M, and then the skirt is from Another Awesome. I'm wearing tights, and then I have my Chelsea Doc Marten boots. Oh, and also my purse is from Goto Mall. Oh, also my plan for Beatroad is that I want to get a couple ENHYPEN albums. They just had a new release. I might get that. I might get Border Carnival. I'm not sure yet. If you guys stan ENHYPEN, tell me what your favorite song from the comeback was. I really like Go Big or Go Home or Molaso, or I guess technically just a little bit is the English name. I really enjoyed the comeback. I have it literally on repeat right now. It's so good. So cute. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It's so cute. So cute. Don't say that. Can I do it this way?
Yeah, we have to push it really hard. And you have to push it 3 times, I think.
What?
Yeah. So like push it once, and then do it again. Yeah. Wonderful.
It didn't work. Oh,
Wow.
it's cute. We're going to Beatroad to get albums. Ashling, what are you planning on getting?
I'm getting some TXT stuff. Maybe
Izzy.
their first album. I want Cat and Dog.
Izzy, are you getting an album today?
I think I'm gonna get Martens.
Ooh!
Oh yeah, I got that.
Do you have like a version that you prefer? Like one?
No, I want to be surprised when I open it.
Okay. Beatroad is so cute. I'm very excited.
It's my first time.
Oh yeah, because I took Allison there before. Can't wait to get albums. I did a lot of damage at the In the Soop pop-up. I spent almost $200. I'm really good with my money, if you couldn't tell, guys.
We encouraged you to buy stuff.
Yeah, literally nobody talked me out of anything.
To be honest, I kind of went wild.
I did. I bought 3 things, which I'll show you guys when we get home. I'm excited to get albums. Let's get it. Oh God. Rip to my wallet. I think I'm getting this one.
I want to see what I want to see.
I just bought 4 albums.
I bought 2.
Oh my, I have problems. My bank account has problems too. I'm gonna go open them at this Heesung cafe though. They're having a birthday event just right next door. So cute. Cute. I'm claiming this spot. So, because then we can open our albums. So cute. This is adorable. Wow.
Oh, it's so cute.
Ashling's first unboxing on camera.
I should do the trick that. Doesn't Yuki have a trick for opening?
Yeah, as long as you don't open albums like Hobie, I will not fight you.
Doesn't he just bite them?
Yeah, it's traumatizing. It's literally.
One time that I did it in front of Amanda and she hit me. Okay, guys, I'm very excited.
Okay.
Yay! Okay. Oh, I got
Yay!
so cute and young. He's such a baby in this.
So cute.
Oh my god.
And we got Bomgi too. Oh, Bomgi. He's so baby.
He's really cute too.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm very
Did you only get the one?
yes.
Album? This album, fire for a debut album. Like,
so
bomb.
Oh, I'm
Look at
so
this.
happy. I can't believe I got stupid.
I'm losing my mind.
Allison, what are you opening next?
Stray Kids
No
Limited.
Great.
Oh, cute! Oh my god. They love you.
Yeah, I think that I like have to change my bias list. I think it has to be.
I love him. I love Jesus. I love Jesus. Okay, Izzy, it's your time.
I'm trying to open it.
Ooh, who is it?
JK.
Oh, it's home.
So cute.
I got tape for that one. His finger was long in that picture for no reason. Like, why was it so long? Hello, friends.
Hello, friends.
I bought 4 ENHYPEN albums. You're a bad influence.
I am not a bad influence.
Yes,
You definitely are.
You are.
I am
Okay.
an enabler.
I'm going to open up Border Carnival up version first.
Yeah, I get you.
Ooh! I didn't pull another Sunny. Oh my god! Oh, you're gonna. Oh no! I pulled her by it.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
Oh no! I pulled Sanu too.
My jaw just dropped. I better not. I'm looking at my template right now. I better not see that card marked off on my template.
No! Who do you have?
I have like everyone. I think
Do you have Sanu?
I think I have Sanu.
I'll trade you.
Or Nikki. I don't know.
I'll trade you if you have Sanu. Sanu or Jay.
I know.
He looks so cute here. I know you're upset about this one.
My friend bought 10 sets and we didn't pull it.
At all?
Nope.
Okay, I'm gonna open orange version
I
first.
don't want to see any song in this vicinity.
Oh, wait. Nikki! I got Nikki. Oh, thank you.
I didn't get one. Like,
Oh my god, his hair's long.
Nikki! Oh my god, cute.
Cute.
I meant to do no
yeah,
whatever.
he's just
No, he's just giving them.
It's like their universe. It's their little OS cards.
Oh,
Similar to 3CXT's OS cards.
cute.
You get another card.
Jay! There we go. Yay!
You should get somebody's like photo book. This thing. No, this thing. No, this. There's shit. Where did it go? No, this thing.
Jay!
Look at their little photo book.
Was I literally not talking about becoming my bias record?
I didn't hear it. None of us heard it.
None of us heard it, okay? Blue version now.
Who is it? Don't be Songhoon. Balso.
I feel like I don't want you to look.
I'm not looking.
Don't look. Oh, Sanu! Ah, Sanu! Oh, my Nikki!
you got a lot of stuff.
Ah!
Oh my god, that's such a cute card.
Cute!
I'm really obsessed.
He's so cute!
Oh my god,
And Nikki. There we go.
I really like those.
Cute!
That's so cute.
Oh my god.
These are the same old albums.
Okay.
Everyone, let's go.
Oh! He's so cute!
Yeah.
Oh, he's adorable! I love his cheeks.
I know.
So cute.
And he deserves.
King. Happy. Purple.
Because I got so much chocolate and stuff, I was like, I have to look him up and like know more about him. He's from Youngin.
That's so funny. Jay!
It's mint.
I got Jay.
Who was I talking about?
Is it?
He's like, wow, they're from Youngin.
It's so good. These are so good.
Our favorite.
Wow.
Love. By the way, can you go buy this version?
Yeah, you might have to. You might have to buy this version because I just almost pulled all of her bias.
Aaron's so defeated.
You actually do.
Oh my god.
The soul just like left her body.
You might pull him. You're fine.
Am I fine?
Because I
I'll
wanna
see
go
you in
find
the
one.
next 4 months.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Go buy it.
Get what?
Fire escape.
I'll
Do it.
No, I should.
Right now?
No, I'll get it next time.
Yay, I'm so happy with those.
Guys, this is the aerial cam. Amanda just went to buy albums because we're terrible influences, so I took over her camera. If Amanda pulls Songhoon again, I'm gonna take it and run, okay? And I promise to document it all for the vlog. Thanks, bye.
Allison, how many albums did you buy?
9, I think.
Ashling, how many albums did you buy? Izzy, how many albums did you buy? Okay, I finished my ENHYPEN collection today.
Started and finished?
I started, but I had one album from last weekend, and now I have all of them. So,
That was me buying TXT album.
what is wrong with me? Okay, everyone, this is down version. Ooh, I think I got the group. I got the group photo.
And Jay!
Jay! Manifestation. I literally said he was my bias wrecker, and then all of a sudden, he shows up.
I was like, you only getting demon cards in Korea.
Jay! Yay! This is so
cute. I'm obsessed.
There we go.
Wow.
Wow.
That was cute.
Wow. Wow.
Who's your bias again?
Mine?
Yeah.
Sanu and then Jade. Jay's coming up. So border day 1's on. And dust. This one's in a plastic. I hate those.
Stop. Why am I getting more flashbacks to the TXT albums? But this one's better because it's a slip cover. The TXT is just...
That one literally hurt my hand. This is a big one.
Disgusting.
What the
flip? He said disgusting. Yeah, you get those little things.
What is it?
Who is it? Who is it?
Who is it?
The postcard.
Is Namjoon?
Yes, Namjoon.
Oh my god, these are so cute. He looks so different. Oh my god. I'm scared for you. I'm scared for me.
Oh no. Which one did you pull? Did you get 2 of him?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Oh, cute. I need that one.
Did you actually?
Life sucks when you're Ariel.
No.
Too many people pulling my biases.
Sorry.
It's fine. I only had 3 mental crises today.
Let's do the last one.
I love this version.
Yeah. I was trying to convince Izzy to get version 1 because I think version 1 was the hardest one for me to find.
Really?
Yeah.
So
Because I didn't order it online. I like went into a store.
I got it in Target.
I'm Canadian. I'm Canadian. I don't have Target.
Alright, I forget. Sometimes
y'all don't have Target?
No. Really? We don't have Target in Canada.
Yeah, we don't have it either.
This is dusk version, everybody.
Let's go.
Are these postcards different?
I just like the aesthetic of these albums so much. I want to get into ENHYPEN.
I'm really like...
Yay! I got Nikki and Jay.
Oh my god, I pulled this one. I love this card.
Why do you look like that?
So cute.
Wow, kings. Lovely. I'm done my collection now. How did that happen? Hey guys, so I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. Kind of like hectic going back home. I don't really know. I figured I would show you guys like my In the Soup stuff. I'm actually wearing them all right now. I got 3 things from the In the Soup pop-up. I got this beanie. Just says BTS In the Soup with a little mountain. I thought that was really cute. It's kind of small. Maybe I just have a big head. I got this half zip sweater. So it's just this light gray color. It says In the Soup here. And then it has Soupy on the sleeve here. And it has a pocket, just a little half zip. It's very cute. And then I also got the shorts, the like sweat shorts. And they have the little In the Soup character. I don't know, they're really cute. I thought this set was just really adorable. I obviously had to get it. We went into this cafe to unbox our albums and, you know, like take a look around for the cafe event. And I had originally bought the 3 versions of Dimension Dilemma. And then I also bought the up version of Border Carnival. So I had bought 4 albums. You saw me unbox that. And then we were sitting there for like a while and we were all like just contemplating. And I was like, you know what? Like, what is me buying 3 more albums to finish my ENHYPEN collection? Because from my Jimin birthday vlog, if you guys watched that, I bought the Border Carnival hype version. So I only had like the one ENHYPEN album. And then we were there and Beatroad was right beside this cafe. I was like, why didn't I just like go back in and buy the last 3 that I need to complete the collection? The down version for Border Carnival, and then I also got Border Day 1, Dusk and Dawn. Yeah, I also don't remember if I said, I know I've said that Sunwoo is my bias, but Jay is creeping up as my bias wrecker, I think. Comment down below who your bias and bias wrecker are. I do like all of them, obviously, but yeah, I think they're super talented. I couldn't contain myself like in the album store. I really was trying to not collect another group. It just happened. Yesterday was really fun. I had a good time. It was really good to see Ariel again. It's literally been like 4 months. I forgot to mention that at the In the Soup pop-up, if you spend a certain amount of money, you get like a free gift with purchase. So I just picked this In the Soup pen. And then it also comes with a like group photo. So that was really nice. I think you have to spend over $30. Yeah, I'm actually gonna put this on my tote, I think, the one that I use at cafe events. Looks really cool. Also, I redid my bookshelf so that I could put my ENHYPEN albums on there. I'm just gonna like add this into the end of the vlog, but I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.